Money Machines Marketing News Forum. This is an update to the new and improved ClickFunnels. It's called ClickFunnels 2.0, and it is not only just a funnel builder anymore, it is a complete business in a box platform where you can run your sites, your funnels, your products. It's got orders, it's got contacts, it's got marketing, automated email marketing, it's got sales funnels, it's got a funnel editor that is so fast and to the point with done for you images, and it's all, basically it is the most powerful platform on the market today, and people are using it to create businesses and wealth every single day. It has the power to change countries, to save, I don't know, presidents. It's amazing, and I think that we should implement it into our schooling system. It's so powerful, but we're going to go do that. I'm the face of South Africa's ClickFunnels. Look, I'm a funnel builder and a funnel hacker, and a proud funnel hacker. I am under the teachings of Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels, and Todd Dickerson. I've been mentoring under Russell Brunson for over 5 years, and I've basically read all his books from .com Secrets to Expert Secrets and Traffic Secrets. Whereas it's a trilogy that basically, if you want to start an online business, you need those 3 books, and you will be able to do. If you got that weapon in your cavalry, and you are off to the races. You need Expert Secrets, ClickFunnels 2.0, and you'll never look back. I promise you now. It is powerful, 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 powerful. I'm going to go through a video in the next video, going through how quick it is to set up an online business, set up a sales funnel, and get your message sent out to the world in a matter of minutes. That's how easy it is. There'll be a link below here where I'll show you a couple of my landing pages I've built or designed, and you can also get a free trial, a 30-day free trial, no obligation, money back guarantee. Well, there's no money back guarantee because it's free. So basically, there's no contract. If you don't like it after 30 days, all you do is you send ClickFunnels an email, and they literally just don't charge you. And they literally, if you've ever had a problem with them, I've been with them for 5 years, and never once have I ever had an issue when it comes to money back, guarantees, anything like that. They're a company of their word. They stand by the word. Russell Brunson is the most humble man you'll ever meet, and he stands by his word, and when he says something, he means it. When Russell says something, you listen, because if he says it, he means it. And basically, everybody in South Africa, and business, and people starting their own businesses online, need to get with ClickFunnels. You want to get your message out there, you want to 10x your business, you want to know how it's all done, you want to know the formulas, you want to learn it, go to ClickFunnels. There's a full training program in there when you start that takes you to the dashboard. It teaches you everything you need to know, and I can't say anything more than that. I need South Africa to get on the go with this. There's a lot of South Africans I see that are already putting up. I was lucky enough to get in the beginning. I'm a founding member of 2.0, and yeah, it's a powerful platform. It's just unbelievable what it can do. It can really take you from zero to hero in a matter of weeks if you've got a powerful message and you really believe in your product, and you have a little bit of take on the challenge. So, for anyone who's wanting to start an online business, for anyone who's got an online business up and running and aren't getting enough leads and sales, and are struggling with email marketing, struggling with content marketing, struggling with the sales funnel, struggling with anything, change over to ClickFunnels 2.0. There's a free trial below. Just try it for 30 days. Mess around with it in your spare time. You will get so addicted and so hooked that you will be in front of your PC all day, working probably 15 hours less than you work now, and making that much more money because it's that powerful and it's that professional. Todd Dickerson and Russell Brunson don't mess around when it comes to delivering and over delivering and looking after their clients and customers and offering value. There's no one out there on the market today that's as good as them and as good as Russell. And Russell, what Russell says, Russell delivers. Trust his word, and you cannot fail. So this is my little introduction to 2.0. I'm excited because I've been waiting for this for a long time, and it's eventually been released, and I am now a funnel hacker, and on the funnel hacker platform, making funnels every day, and it's the most amazing thing ever. And I just want to say thank you to Russell, and for his 5 years of online coaching, and all his mentors introduced me to, like Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Grant Cardone, Perry Belcher, there's a million more I can thank all day. Dave Sharp, which is from Legendary Marketing, where I got my grounding. Anybody who wants to start an online business, you should go. I'll leave a link below for that too. You can just go check out the Business Builder Challenge, and then you can come back to, you can actually get a free trial in the Business Builder Challenge. So you go ahead and do that, and I will see you on the next video. This channel is going to be devoted to ClickFunnels 2.0 and going through the platform and teaching newbies from the beginning of the video series. From now, this is the introduction video. We're going to be going and teaching and going through how 2.0 works online. So you can watch it here on YouTube. You can watch it on stick to YouTube. I think I'm going to keep it on the YouTube series. And there'll be a few postings on Facebook and Instagram here and there. But this is strictly a YouTube series on ClickFunnels 2.0. I would like everybody that gets it to just like and subscribe, so you can keep the video in audio sequence and not get lost, overwhelmed, and confused as most online marketers do, or online business owners do, and throw the mouse down and smash things, because we don't need that. We just need peace, calm, and harmony, and we need people to work and get things done, and this is the platform to do it. So if you're messing around this YouTube and you're surfing all the way, against all the gurus and the promises and the shiny objects and the, stop it all now. Actually block it all now. Click, 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 click funnels. I even wrapped a rap to ClickFunnels because I believe in it so much. I'm a fucking, I'm a funnel hacker, so I'm going to have to mute that out, but I'm a funnel hacker, and I'm a diehard for ClickFunnels because it's changed my life, and it's brought back life into my life. And actually, it's, if you go read my story, you can see what it's done for me and what it's done for a million other people already up to date, and they're heading to be the most powerful platform on earth. And I'll see you all inside. Don't waste time. Don't procrastinate. That's one of our rules. Go check out. I've got videos on procrastination down there. Don't procrastinate. Start. Just get it done. Sign up for ClickFunnels. It's free. 30 days. Money back guarantee. No questions asked. Russell Brunson. There's nothing more. I don't have to say any more than that. If I have to say any more than that, I'm not going to say it, because I don't have to fight for you. I'm here delivering a message as a gift to you, and I'm giving you free trial. Why am I begging you? I don't know. Just take the damn trial, man. Take the damn trial. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Thank you all, and I'll see you on the next video for the first introduction to 2.0 and its dashboard. Thank you, everybody, from the Online Money Seed. My name is Mark Harris, and this is ClickFunnels 2.0.